chapter of FYBSc, SYBSc differentiability. Now definition of differentiability. Definition. Let the function fxy is said to be differentiable at point AB if there exists neighborhood of a point or neighborhood A plus H B plus K of AB in which the increment delta f can be expressed in the form delta f is equal to, it is the difference between f of value of the function at x naught plus h or a plus h. You can take derivative at point AB, therefore a plus h b plus k minus f of AB, which is equal to, or which is, you can directly explain that value of the function or value of the function at point which is nearer to point AB in the neighborhood. Suppose we are considering this point at point here AB, and on right hand side these are points which are in neighboring points which are away from AB at distance on right hand side, left hand side H, and on upper and lower part, that is K. Therefore this is the neighboring point of AB, and which is equal to A into H plus B into K plus H into phi of HK plus K into psi of HK. What is this A? A is partial derivative function with respect to x. B is partial derivative function with respect to at point AB. Therefore, where A is equal to del by f by del by x, B is del by f by del by y. These are partial derivatives of function with respect to x and y at point AB, and these are constants, independent of h and k, independent of h and k. Okay, you should know that is value of a and value of b. After substituting values of a and b in this partial derivative, you will get directly values of a and b which are constant numbers. Okay, and this phi and psi, these are functions where phi and psi or phi hk and psi hk tends to 0 as hk tends to 0, 0 by this way. That means while you are taking limit as hk tends to 0, 0, this function phi and psi it will be directly 0. Okay. Also, h plus bk is called the differential of f at AB, and is denoted by df. df is equal to a into h plus b into k, where which also can be written as h delta f by delta x into delta x plus delta f by delta y into delta y. This value of h is delta x, k is delta y. Therefore, differential, which is useful for us for solving the problem. Differentials. Try to understand this differential. Differential is used for solving which are problems which will give us approximate value of the given function, which will be most probably approximate. It will not be accurate value. Okay. Let u is equal to function of x and y is differentiable function of x and y. Then differential of u is denoted by du, which is equal to partial derivative of u with respect to x, because u is function of x and y. Therefore, you have to take partial derivative into dx plus delta u by delta y into dy. This dx is derivative of x and dy is derivative of y, where dx and dy are derivatives of or differentials of, you can write differential also, differentials of x and y. Okay. Now, while you are using this part or application of solving the examples, we have to actually use this one. Let u is equal to fxy, which is equal to, which is differentiable function of x and y. At point x naught, y naught. Therefore, we have delta u is equal to f of x naught plus delta x, y naught plus delta y minus f of x naught, y naught, that is value of the function at that point, which is equal to, this implies that f of x naught plus delta x, comma y naught plus delta y, which is equal to f of x naught, y naught plus delta u, that is du, which also can be written as f of x naught, y naught plus df, that is f is equal to du is equal to f. Okay, where df, that is total derivative of f, that is partial derivative of f with respect to x at point x naught y naught into delta x plus partial derivative of f with respect to y at point x naught y naught into delta y. These are delta x, delta y are increments in x and y. Okay. While solving this problem, while you are solving problem, we should use this formula. Okay. For computing approximate value, we use this formula. We use f of x naught plus delta x, y naught plus delta y, which is equal to f of x naught comma y naught plus df, and which df is given here. Okay, df is partial derivative f with respect to x, partial derivative with respect to y. Okay, just we are taking single problem within 5 minutes and we will end this part. Just चांगला आहे सर. Example number 1. Find approximate value of this quantity which is given in root sign, that is 5.98 bracket square plus 8.01 bracket square. Using differentials, it is specially mentioned here, using differentials. Solution. Let you are starting with your function, let fxy is equal to, you should know that how to consider the function. Here function is in root x square plus y square. Okay. Therefore, write this value which is given in your problem, that is 5.98 bracket square plus 8.01 bracket square, which is equal to f of x naught plus delta x, y naught plus delta y, which is equal to f of x naught y naught plus df. This is very important formula, which is equal to which is f of x naught y naught plus df. According to your problem, it is, you have to assume that x naught is value which is near to this one, that will be 6, y naught which is equal to 8. Small increment, that is delta x, which should be, as you are considering this x naught is equal to 6, subtract this value, it will be 0.02 and that will be minus, and y naught is 0.01. Try to understand these two values are very important. Okay. You are assuming x naught is equal to 6, y naught is equal to 8, delta x is equal to minus 0.02, y naught is equal to, sorry, here it is delta y. Delta y is 0.01. Okay. Therefore, you have to estimate first x naught, value of the function at x naught y naught, which is f of 6, 8. Value of the function at point 6 and 8, that should be equal to root of 6 square. 6 square plus 8 square, which is equal to, here it will be 36 plus 64, which is equal to root 100, and which is equal to 10 here. That means f of x naught y naught, which is equal to 10, which is calculated here. That is basic value. Okay. Now df is equal to partial derivative of function f with respect to x at point x naught y naught into delta x plus partial derivative of f with respect to y at point x naught y naught into delta y. You should remember that you have to take first partial derivative of the function with respect to x here. Partial derivative of function with respect to x. Given function is fxy is equal to root of x square plus y square, which is equal to x square plus y square raised to 1 by 2. Differentiating f with respect to x, which is equal to 1 by 2 x square plus y square bracket is to 1 by 2 minus 1 into derivative of x, that is twice x, which is equal to 2x divided by 2 into x square plus y square raised to 1 by 2. Finally 2 are get cancelled, x upon root of x square plus y square. Similarly, dabba f by dabba y, which is equal to y upon root of x square plus y square. Putting these values here directly, which is equal to x upon root of x square plus y square into delta x plus y upon root of x square plus y square into delta y. Put these values. X is equal to, that is original value, which is equal to x naught here, which is 6 at point x naught, y naught you can write here. Here also you can write at point x naught, y naught. Therefore, it is x is equal to x naught is 6. This is already calculated 10. Delta is minus 0.02 plus 6 upon 10. Here 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10 and delta y is y naught. Delta y is 0.01. 1.01. And after simplification, you will get this value, which is equal to minus 0.004. After calculating this value df, use the original formula here again. Substituting these values in equation, putting these values of f at 6.8, 6,8 and df at point x naught, y naught, which is equal to, this is equal to 10, this is equal to minus 0.041, not 4. Therefore, equation 1 implies that (5.98) square plus 8.01 square, which is equal to 10 plus minus 0.004, sorry, not 4. which is equal to 9.996. This is your required answer. This is approximate value. Therefore 5.98 bracket square plus 8.01 bracket square, which is equal to 9.996. This is your answer. Such type of problems will be asked in exam for 5 hours. Okay, thank you.